We back at the Home Depot once again, early 6 o'clock in the morning to grab this wood for the railroad. Looks like I walked through the entrance.
Unreal.
It's quiet in here. Milwaukee stuff. Roby. Milwaukee bad. Oh, it's bad. It's not too bad for this strong here. Oh, this ain't bad at all. Bing, bang, boom. That'd be nice. But I buy a battery and all that mess. How much it gonna cost me? Wow. Yeah, right. Shit. What time is it? Damn, it's early. And I use this wood right here, the select wood wood here. But I ain't come here for that. It's like I came yesterday before I had to call for work. So I'm back here early in the morning to go get 2x2s, 6 feet long. So let me put this down, let me load the cart up a little bit. Alright, you see I'm gonna do is select wood, right? Supposed to be the good one. And look how it bowls. You can see that. See that? It's crazy. So I take my time and go through and see the wood, because I don't want to grab the first thing. Your legs be looking all crooked because there's a big bow in it. We'll just keep on going. Grab another board. You can tell the back. So it's a little crooked. Look at that thing. See that? Sheesh. I'm gonna be here all day. Trying to find some straight piece of lumber out here. Let's see about this. Yeah, looks alright. Just bring it down and see how it looks. Let's see. Yeah, look, found another straight one. Usually I'll sit on here on the straight edge and see how it looks. Not too bad on that corner. Don't look too bad. Got a little bit right there. Let's see. That's not too bad. I can rock out with that. I can deal with this one. It's not bad. So stick that in there. Finally got it in. Got the big tool in. Had to take out the baby's car seat to get it in. Had to slide the wood over. You know, I got the trunk to fit down, the clothes. I got my underwear there. There's an old underwear, so when I slide on this fabric, it won't get the wood on. So I didn't need it this time. So, all right, back to the house. The legs going in. It looks a little, it's a little different on it. But longs in there. Got the legs in here, glued in, screwed. Got a little protrusion here. So went in too deep. Should go to shorter nail next time. But that's the first built in what, 15, maybe 20 years ago. So it's not bad. You know, I got little things you gotta work on, but work in progress, right?